Welcome back students again and good evening. Now we will discuss question number 3, which is also related to the growth of population like question number 1. Check your answer whether it is correct or not. The population of a town increases by 2% every year. So the rate of increase in population is 2% every year. The present population of the town, present is always denoted by V naught. But remember, present means those population which is first population. If there are two population, one is present, another 2 years ago, then we take the population of 2 years ago as V naught. Always the starting population is taken as V naught and final population is taken as V. Like in this question number A part, we have to find the population 2 years ago. Means it is not given. V naught means population 2 years ago and we have to find it. The first population is always V naught. This is same as question number 1, which we have discussed in previous session. Population 2 years ago is unknown and present population is known. It is the final population. V means final population. The after population is taken, it is 7,40,000 is taken as V. And number of terms is 2 only, as we have to find the population of town 2 years ago, so we assume it to be V naught. The initial population means first population is taken V naught, final population is taken V, which is the population of present time, and population 2 years ago we have to find, so we must take it as V naught, and n equals to number of terms. Now when we use the formula V equals to V naught into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n, it will be 7,40,000 equals to V naught means population 2 years ago we have to find, into 1 plus rate of interest is 2 by 100 whole square, that is V naught into 102 by 100 into 102 by 100, and it is equal to 7,40,000. So if we find V naught, all the terms with V naught will be shifted to the next side. So in the next side there is 7,40,000. This 100 goes to the numerator into 100 over 102, and denominator of this 100 is also 102. So now we have to simplify it, for which we first write it again. Don't start cutting the original line, otherwise it can sometimes cause the calculation problem. So we know that these two are divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. So it is 7,40,000 into 50 into 50 over 51 is divisible by 17 and 3, but 74 is neither divisible by 17 nor by 3. So we square 51. So 51 square is 2601 and multiply the numerator. 74 5s are 370, 375s are 185, and zeros. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 2,601. So divide it in rough to get the final answer. Six zeros are there. 26 sevens are 182. And 1 7 is 7. 10 minus 7 3. 9 minus 0 9. 4 minus 2 2. 1 0 will be taken again. 1s are 2,601. So it is 329. 0 again. Hmm? 26, ones are 26. So it will again be divided by ones are 10 minus 1, 9, 8, 12 minus 6, 6. Again a 0 is taken. 2s are 5, 2, 0, 2. The last 0. 1, 2, 6, 5s are 6 are 6 are 156. 15606 subtracted. 10 minus 6, 4, 7. 8 minus 6, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. Then one more 0 is there. 26 4s are. Approximately 5s are, but not required after this. So it's 7,11,264 point something. So neglect the decimal part. So population 2 years ago was 7,11,264. So this must be the answer. I think you don't have doubt in second part of this question number 3, in which we have to find a population 2 years hence. It is straightforward, can be obtained directly by the formula, and this is sufficient to understand the difference between V and V naught now. V naught means first population and V means final population. V naught doesn't mean present population. V naught means initial population and V means final population. If we have to find the population 2 years ago, take it as V naught, which is unknown. If we have to find the population 2 years hence, means after 2 years, so this time V naught is the present population. This is the different case now. 7,40,000 is the present population now. Rate percent is same, it is 2%, and time is 2 years. So we can directly find it by using the formula V equals to V naught into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n, where R equals to 2 and V naught is, this time directly it is 7,40,000 into rate percent is 2. So we write 1 plus 2 by 100 whole square. So it is 7,40,000 into 51 by 50 into 51 by 50. And we write it again first. Zeros will be cancelled out. When we divide by 5, it is, 148. It will be double, not half. 1480 again divided by 5. The double of 148, 296, and then 296 into 51 square is 2601. Now multiply it to get the answer. 300 minus 4 into 2601. 26 3 are 78. 1 3 are 3, 00 minus 104, 04. So subtract, sorry, from the last. 4, 0, 4, 0. 1. This can be done in rough also. 10 minus 4, 6, 9. 12 minus 4, 8. 9. 7 minus 1, 6. 7. So 7,69,894 will be the population after 2 years. These all are the estimated population, not the current population. Okay, not the correct population actually. And always write the answer at the end of the question, like a population 2 years ago equals to what we have found. It was 7,11,264, and 2 year hence 7,69,894 answer. In this way you have to solve the question. Now, if we discuss about question number 4, the present price of a scooter is rupees 58,320. If its value has decreased every year by 10%, then find its value 3 years ago. So directly use the formula for these types of questions. Like question number 4, the initial value, the original value is 58,000 rupees, 58,320. And we have to find, and rate of depreciation is, decrease means depreciation is 10%. Rate of depreciation is 10%. And we have to find the value 3 years ago. Okay, we have to find again the value 3 years ago, means this time again V naught is unknown. We have to find the V naught, the initial. By mistake I have written it V naught. It's not V naught. We have to find V naught. And if its value has decreased every year by 10%, we have to find the value 3 years ago. This we have to find V naught, and V is given 58,320. We have to find the initial value of this machine. This is the final value after 3 years. Present value is rupees 58,320, and we have to find 3 years ago. 3 years ago means initial value is not given. So whenever initial value is not given, we consider it to be V naught. If we have to find the initial value, we should consider it as V naught, and then use the formula V equals to V naught into 1 minus depreciation percent by 100 whole to the power n. So V is given, V means the present value of this machine. V naught means the value of machine 3 years ago. Depreciation percent is 10 by 100 into number of terms is 3. So 58,320 equals to V naught into, this will be 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. That is V naught equals to 58,320 into 10 by 9 into 10 by 9 into 10 by 9. So write it again, 58,320 into 10 by 9 into 10 by 9. I have told you that first we write it again, then we will cut it. 9 6 are 54, 43. 9 4 are 36, 72, 9 8 is 72. There will be 0. It is again divisible by 9. 720. It is again divisible by 9. So 80 and decimal after 3 digits. So three zeros will be there. After the 0, there is no decimal. So the initial cost of the machine will be rupees 80,000. Means cost 3 years ago will be rupees 80,000. Very easy. Always remember, V naught means V naught doesn't mean the present population or the present value. It means the first value. V naught means first value and V means final value. Is that clear to you? V naught means first value. In question number 3, V naught means population 2 years ago. We cannot use the formula for depreciation taking V naught as 7,40,000. Mostly students do this mistake. That's why I'm telling you this separately. Don't take it as V naught. 7,40,000 is the final value after 2 years. The present population, which is given 7,40,000, cannot be taken as V naught this time, as we have to find the population 2 years ago in this question part A. As we have to find the population 2 years ago means we have to find V naught, not V. V means final value which comes after, and V naught means initial value which comes before. So 2 years ago time is before, so the value of the population at that time is taken as V naught, and the final, which we the present population which is 2 years after the 2 years ago. Present population means 2 years after the 2 years ago. So it is V. Similarly, in question number 4, the same thing happens when we have to find the value of machine after before 3 years ago, and the present value is given. So we take present value as V and the 3 years ago value as V naught. This is the initial value, and 58,320 is the final value after 3 years. So we take it as V, and the initial value 3 years ago is taken as V naught. Similar thing is done in question number 3 also. The initial value means the value of the population 2 years ago is taken as V naught, which is unknown and we have to find. And the value which is present population, that is 7,40,000, is taken as V, which is the final population 2 years after the base year, which is 2 years ago. So always remember this thing while solving the questions of growth and depreciation. If 2 years ago is asked or 3 years ago is asked, the present becomes the final, and 2 years ago V naught is unknown to them. Okay, so solve these questions and continue to ask your doubts. Okay, and doubts will be generated only if you solve the questions incorrectly. They are not generated if you solve the questions correct. Solving the question is much more important than solving them correctly. So continue to solve the question whether wrong or correct. Okay, students. So I am ending the session now.